Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. Tonight, we're going to show you a quick and easy leftover recipe. Last night, we made chicken Florentine. It was to die for. Little red potatoes with some dill. Melted them in your mouth. But of course, like always, I had to make too much. So tonight, I'm going to show you how to use up that. Oh my God, I made too much. Don't throw it away. I chopped it all up. I put the sauce in it. I put everything together. And ta-da! This is what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to mix it all together. The spinach, I cut up the chicken. I put all the sauce in it. And we're going to have a chicken Florentine pot pie. It's going to knock your socks off. Look at that. Nice, big, beautiful pieces of chicken. Plenty of spinach. This is just it with one breast left over. And of course I'm cheating. I'm using store-bought pie crust. I'm going to add just a little bit of cream. Let's put a little bit in there. Seal the bag up. Give it a little bit more juice. Let's see if it's going to be just as good as a pie as it is. Another piece of chicken. Come on. Join the party. There we go. A little bit more salt and pepper. A little salt. A little pepper. Roll out this dough. Anyway. Squish it down a little bit. Get a little bit of egg wash. And if my daughter didn't already have her sweets today, I'd make her a little turnover out of that. But since she did, we'll skip it tonight. Couple of slices for steam to get out. And into the oven at 375. We'll be back shortly. I changed my mind. I'm going to make a little tart out of this after all. There's a lot more in here than I thought there was. So with that, just roll it out real fast. Oh, what do we have here? Perfect one. Yeah, let's see what kind of preserves I have in there. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got some 4-fruit preserves. Now, I'm not gonna fill this thing up like I would a pie, because this is preserves. It's gonna be rather sweet. So I'm just gonna make her a simple little pie. And I'll make it so it's a little bit deeper. tuck it in so she's got a little bit more crust. Thin out the sides a little bit. Ta-da! Quick little pie. We'll put that in the oven, and it's going to be pretty and delicious. And I know what she's getting because this is all natural fruit. It's 100% fruit. You can't say it's not cute. You know, we might as well go one step further. I've got a little bit of egg wash. Let's put that on. Now, just like Mama used to make. To the oven. Okay, and we're back. Our chicken Florentine leftover pot pie, it's out of the oven and it smells incredible.
It really does. It smells so good. Both of them do.
Well, the pie came out. It looks, I mean, it really looks good. So, shall we try it? Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay. Hey, you got it right this time.
Mm-hmm.
And you dropped your pie. Mm. You know, honestly, this is almost as good as the chicken Florentine we had last night, but made into a pot pie. Absolutely incredible. As you can see, I don't think this video is going to go 10 minutes. So I hope you'll try this with all your leftovers. It's really good. It's fast, it's easy. Nobody ever dislikes a pot pie. Thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count. You can get this recipe at
www.cookingwiththecount.com. Give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below.
Very good. With that, God bless. Thank you again for joining us, and bon appetit.